Hello students. So in this video, we will be studying about meaning and features of financial services. Okay, meaning and features of financial services. So first we will study the meaning of financial services. So here it says that financial services refer to the services, means financial services refers to the services which are provided by the finance industry. Okay, financial service means it is one kind of services, means these services are provided by the finance industry. So here the finance industry means it is one kind of industry that deals with the management of money. Okay, this finance industry deals with the management of money. So here management of money means investment of fund or money. Okay, usually here finance industry usually fund their money or investment of their money. Okay, and the organizations providing financial services are, means what kind of services that comes in financial service means it may comes, the services are banks, like banks, or it may be like credit card companies, insurance companies, or leasing firms, or about stock brokerage or mutual fund. So these are the various services which provided by the finance industry, like credit card companies, insurance companies, leasing firms, or stock brokerage or mutual funds. Okay, this was the meaning. Understood? Means once more, financial services means it is one kind of services. These services are provided by the finance industry. Means the finance industry is one that deals with the management of money. Means they provide services like banks, as well as like credit card companies or insurance companies, or as well as leasing firms, or about it gives informations about stock brokerage or about mutual funds. Okay, and one more meaning, here it says financial services are the product and services. Okay, financial services are the products and services which is offered by the various institutions of various kinds of facilities of various financial transactions and other related activities in the world of finance. Okay, means usually financial service are group of product and services. So these services or products are offered by the various kinds of institutions, like financial services, like uh, loans loans, insurance, credit card, leasing, about as in investment opportunities, as well as providing information of stock market. This was a one more meaning of financial services. Okay, so next we will study the what are the various features of financial services. These are the various features. First is customer oriented, second is branded service, third is simultaneous performance, next service are not storable, next services as per needs of people. No, and last is market dynamic. So we'll study first about customer oriented. So a customer oriented means usually what happens in this, here the financial service institutions are always focused on customers. Usually they focus on customers. Okay, usually customers are the kings of market. Basically we should focus on them, on the customers. So here what happens, here the firms will study. Okay, means the firms means the financial service, first they will study the needs of customers. Means in depth they will study what are the needs of customers, what customer wants in detail. Okay, they will study, means the firms will study the needs of the customers in detail. Okay, before deciding their financial strategy. Okay, taking into considerations like they think about what are the cost will be there, how much cost we should give, and what are the maturity considerations we should give. Okay, these are the taking consideration they will study of the customers. Okay, so usually the firms of financial services, they will continuously they what happens in this financial service continuously, they will remain in touch with their customers. Okay, usually they meet their customers using social media platforms. Means they will usually remain touch in their means interact with their customers, so that why they will interact means so they can design products, so they can design products which they want according to their needs of the customers. Okay, as well as here the providers of financial service continuously carry out the market service. Usually they will study about the market service, means what are the present situation is there in the market, means what kind of a financial services usually other companies are providing. They'll make an survey. Why they'll make they will survey means they can offer new products which are not available in the market, so they can provide new products of implementing legislations, like bringing new technologies are being introduced, like innovative, like customer friendly, or uh, customer friendly product and services which clearly indicate that the concentration of the providers of financial services generating firm specific services. So this was the customer oriented means here what happens, usually here what suppose if they want to bring any new services, first they will survey about the market, means what the customer required. According to that, according to the customer oriented, they bring new services in the marketing, in the market. That is called as customer oriented. Okay, uh, second is branded service. So usually customers prefer branded services, means when the customer goes to take any insurance, want to do any insurance, means first he will study about the companies, what is the brand, what is the brand of the company, what is the image of the company, what is the whether it has a good reputation in the market. Means for that purpose the firm should provide branded services. Means here what happens, brand image, means brand image is very important in a highly competitive global, in today's environment. Okay, means brand image is very important nowadays in this today's environment. For that purpose, the financial institutions to be successfully must provide financial products as well as services having their good image, also to enjoy the confidence of their customers. Means they should have good image in the market and should have the good reputation in the market and should have to enjoy the confidence of their clients. So thus institutions have to focus on the qualitative and innovativeness of the services to build their reputations. Okay, that is called about branded services. Okay, understood. Means in today's world, uh, brand image is a most highly competitive environment in the market. Means the firm should have good image in the market, good reputation in the market, and should have confidence of their clients to provide some new innovative products and services to their customers. Okay, next, simultaneous performance means continuous performance should be there with the financial institutions. Here what happens, like the production of financial services as well as the supply of these services have to be comparable. Means whatever the products and services are the firms are supplying, they should be comparable. Okay, they should be comparable, means both the function, that is they should be creation of new and innovative financial services should be there. Means there should be an new product, as well as they should be innovative in their firms, as well as providing services. Financial services, they should introduce this service to customers are to be performed simultaneously. Means what are the services are providing to their customers, they should be simultaneous, they should be continuous performance should be there. Next is services are not storable. Usually services cannot be stored, they should provide to their customers. Means yes, means unlike any other services, but the financial service to be uh, to be purchased and hence cannot be stored. Means usually services cannot be stored, they have to be supplied as required by the customers. Hence financial institutions have to ensure a proper of a product and services according to the supply. Means usually services cannot be stored, usually they should supply to their customer, to the customer according to their needs and wants. Next is services as per needs of people. Here what happens, like various marketing of financial services has to be people intensive, and hence it is subjected to the variability of performance or quality of services. In the financial services, organization need to be selected on the basis of their suitability and trained properly so that can perform their activities efficiently and effectively. Means services should be provided, what are the services as per needs of the people. Means here what happens, the firm should train their employees. Suppose any services has been occurred, means that the employee should provide to the customer as per their needs. Means what the customer needs, according to that only the firm should provide services. For that purpose, in an organizations or firm, first to the employee, uh, the boss should be trained, like these are the services according to the customers we should supply. Next comes market dynamic. Here what happens, the market dynamics means depends to a great extent on like socio-economic changes, such as disposal of income, or it may be of standard of living, or it may be educational changes, or related to the various classes of customers. Therefore here the financial services have to be constantly redefined and refined, taking into the consideration that the market dynamics according to the sometimes there will be changes in economics, such as sometimes there will be less income of the people according to their standard of living or educational changes. For that purpose, the financial services should be refined, taking into consideration according to this market situation. So thus the institution, what the services they are providing while introducing new services should be visualized in advance what the market wants. According to that, first we should visualize what the customer or market wants. According to that, we should bring new services in the market, or being reacted to the needs and wants of the customers. Usually market dynamics means whenever the firms want to bring new services, first according to the market, whether the market will accept that or not, according to that situation they should introduce the new services in the market. So these were the meaning and features of financial services.